Hi. Sorry. So as I was saying, because the text doesn't have separate layers when you open it, the animation works a tiny bit different as well. So there's the type that I brought in. If I just quickly open it. So as you can see, there's a little button here, Animate. And this is basically, this will give you all these different options that you can do the keyframe animation to. So I'm going to do position, and I'm going to do position and opacity, that's the one. Just to have it do a kind of fade in kind of idea. So, and if I just, let's take this out first before I start. So I want it about there. So I'm just going to set my inside position. So if I do that, and then I'm going to take it down so it's invisible, and then I do that. So those work, so they set my first two. I've also zoomed in a bit so I can see it at 1 second. So remember, that's to zoom in your timeline. So if I go to there, and then basically I'm just going to drag it up to there. I can see it's hopefully automatically made my second thing. Whoops. Opacity like that. Has it made it? It's done the opacity one, but it's not done the. Was I not on position when I moved it? Let me see. No, I wasn't on position when I moved. I was in. Sorry, I forgot to move the timeline along when I did it. So we just moved the timeline along. Now I want to move it up to there. Yeah, now it's set it like that. So I said, yeah, do remember to move it to the position before you do your keyframes. I mean, it's pretty obvious, sorry. Like that. It's going very quick, so you can do all things like ease it in and that. So yeah, equal keyframes, that kind of stuff as well. Interpolation. I mean, key velocity, that would slow it down as well. But yeah, so all the different animations you want to do to as it moves through the screen, you just do by adding the animate there. So actually, I was just going to say also, so in terms of if I go back to is the good one. So I've got there, as I said. So I was just going to say, so I've changed the text, but just so I can reiterate as well. If I go there, that it will animate everything, so including color, font. So that will happen. So see there. So now it's that. So yeah. So you can change everything to do with your fonts, but they're not moving through the screen. If you want to move it through the screen, you then need to start to move into the animate function. Because it's not a layer and it's all in just one composition, you actually kind of just plus it. To add it, click the speed button, the timer button to start to add keyframes to it as well.